Hey friends, it's been some while that you haven't watched your favorite movie on the big screen. You have not gone to some party. Your dancing shoes, your lipstick, powder, paint, mascara, your blazer, and everything that is there is just piling up. And you are wondering, what will I do with that? The kids haven't gone to the zoo for quite some time. And everything looks, for all of you, easy dizzy. Because it's all now. But let me tell you now, what you see is visible, is temporary, and it is soon going to fade away. But what is invisible is lasting and permanent. Now, you have to know what is permanent and what is temporary. You have to make the choice. Let me tell you today that you have to start to look and fight. You have to fight the good fight. You remember when you were in school and college, in your family, you fought with your brother. The girls, when they fight, they like to pull and scratch and pull one another's hair. And the fight goes on. There are street fights, there are fights in the museum, there are fights on the road, there are fights in every lane. But do these fights really bring out something good? This is the fight of the flesh. This is the bad fight. But what is a good fight I'm talking about? The good fight is contrary to the bad fight. In this good fight, you do not need weapons of warfare. Over here, the weapons of our warfare are invisible. Wait for a moment. What did you hear last time? Why have you stopped hearing to the good voice? There is a voice you have been listening to. And this is the reason why the fight is on. And you are not able to fight the good fight. And you are fighting the bad fight. If you've ever visited a countryside farm or a ranch or a village, there is a man who takes care of the cattle. He's called the shepherd. And he has a sheep with him. And the sheep after some time are acquainted and they know his voice. And this voice helps them to hear him whatever he says. So this sheep, after a certain time, they are not going to listen to the voice of a stranger. How many voices have you been listening to? Who is the stranger in your life now that is depressing you, making you get worried, making you think, oh, what's going on in my life? What will be happening tomorrow? Pause for a moment. Have you seen the birds flying out there? The grass of the field? The rat that comes out in the night? He is not worried about anything. The man who is leprosy struck and sitting down in the corner? That old lady who is hungry and sitting down in the rains waiting for food? You have your meals every day. You sleep well. I woke up this morning and I was excited. Guess why? Because my heart was beating. Yes, my heart is beating. My fingers are moving. I can open my eyes and see the sunshine. What are you thankful for? Take a minute. But the birds of the air, they're not worried about their food, their clothing, their shelter. They just live for the day. They have all trained up to fight the good fight. So now is your time to gird up your loins and fight the good fight. Because when you fight this good fight, your worry, your anxiety, your tensions, your thinking about tomorrow and what you are going through in this time will suddenly change. You will begin to have a whole new perspective and outlook to life. During this time, even if you are jobless, you will discover that there is something inside you that you found out now. So, be a warrior, not a worrier. A worrier will sit down sad, depressed. Choose to listen to the voice of the good shepherd. Read the good news. Whatever is distracting your mind, the channel, the media and what's happening around, shut your ears to that. Ignore that. Say no to that. Because something good is coming up your way. Remember, Your sorrow will last for the night. Joy will come in the morning. There is hope for you, my friend. There is hope for you. Don't give up. The battle does not belong to you. You were born to be a warrior. Fight the good fight. Cheer up. Encourage somebody. Remember, I told you now, look at the birds of the air. The lady begging in the corner. The man whose leprosy struck. Somebody much more in a deeper problem than what you are going through. The minute you remove your eyes from what is going on in your life and look at somebody else's life and compare yourself, you are much more happier. You have a place to sleep, a little food to eat, a few money here and there. So fight the good fight. Be cheerful. Remember that the war does not belong to you. The battle does not belong to you. And as you cheer up and look at this beautiful creation around you, look up at the sky sometime. Look at the moon. Look at the birds singing early morning. And there is so much there for you because you have already learned to fight the good fight. You are a warrior. So friends, if you have enjoyed my channel, kindly subscribe to it. Don't forget to click the bell icon and like. Share this video as much as you can so that people will learn to fight the good fight. Have a great day ahead and I will see you soon.